is this, dude? Dude? Where am I, dude? What the hell? I just wanted to see more dinosaurs, dude. What the heck? I mean, at least it's beautiful. The water and everything is too nice. Different kind of nature than a mountain. It's nice. Oh man. This is interesting pathway, huh? Mm-hmm. Fucking rocks. This is like a serial killer spot. You come down here to kill victims or something.
Yeah, definitely.
Because this is like the path ends. You drag the body here into
your life ends. The path ends and your life ends.
Throw into the water.
Yeah.
And then the guy's like, "Oh, that would be all she wrote." You know what I'm saying? What's your name?
Aga.
Aga?
Aga.
I'm Paul. Paul.
Paul. Nice
to meet you, bro.
You're not gonna kill me, are you?
No.
Okay. I don't intend to kill you either. Just so you know.
Okay, good.
I'm not dressed for killing.
I am, as you can see.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. No.
Where's the body?
No, it's not.
Another second victim for today?
Well, it would be my fifth, but
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm a pacifist.
Oh.
What are you doing over here from London?
Just traveling.
Alone?
Yeah.
Did you see the dinosaurs?
Yes, I did.
What the fuck? I thought the thing came to life because I was making fun of it. It's fucking weird.
Why?
Why the fuck?
It's an odd place to have them, but...
Why are there dinosaurs?
Yeah.
And you see the Frankenstein?
No, where's that?
Next to the dinosaur.
Oh no, I didn't see that.
It's fucking retarded.
No, that's an odd place to have it.
Alright, well, good luck, my friend.
Alright, same to you.
I'm gonna have to use this fucking thing as a walking stick. Because I am so unhealthy.
What? You went to Everest and you... I know base camp, but still, you'd have to do some hiking and climbing, right?
Oh, I did a lot, but I'm not fully...
geared up?
I'm not fully at my full strength right now. I'm a bit sick.
Oh, what's wrong with you?
I have a flu.
Oh, you stay away from me, man.
No, not anymore, though. I'm recovering.
Oh.
Come on, fucker. Fucking son of a bitch.
이용에 참고해 주시기 바랍니다. 다시 한번 안내 방송 드립니다. 오늘 송도 용궁 구름다리의 입장이 마감되었습니다. 이용에 참고해 주시기 바랍니다. 송도 용궁 구름다리에서 안내 방송 드립니다. 오늘 송도 용궁 구름다리의 입장이 마감되었습니다. 이용에 참고해 주시기 바랍니다. 다시 한번 안내방송 드립니다. 오늘 송도 용궁 구름다리의 입장이 마감되었습니다. 이용에 참고해 주시기 바랍니다.
My sweat is so salty. Oh man. I've made it back. Thank God. That was a fucking nightmare. Oh fuck. Hold on. Look at my face. That was fucked. Oh my god. I look like shit, dude. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? How do I just get so ugly when I fucking walk for a little? Bro, I look crazy. I smell crazy too. Like I'm like gassing myself out in this fucking thing with how I smell right now. My fashion sucks, zero charisma. My fashion is good, bro. I just don't care sometimes how I look. I know what I'm doing, bro. Ooh. At least there's a nice view on the way back to wherever the fuck we are. Songpoo Beach or Songdo Beach or something? I don't know. Songdo, Songpoo, something like that. We need to go back to the other beach that had people. This beach has nobody. Oh shit. Drop my phone.